shove my polycord back on here. Let's see. Do I need to sweep it? I guess so. There. Isn't that sweet? Sweet! Alright, who's got the scissors? Somebody took my scissors. I got half a tube though. Half a tube! And that, how's that, guys? Isn't that pretty nice? That's official. That's an official way to put the glue on. Official way to put glue on. Yeah. Alright, let's put some tubes across here. Now I've got another tube up there. Another tube. I want to do it around the outside edge, but the problem with that is I haven't got it made sure it's leveled in yet, so we're just going to use all this glue up here. You're saying, why are you putting so much glue on there? Well, I went up at the house up there, I don't know if I showed filming of it, and the cement slab was out on the outside, which is even with this one, and the water was coming underneath of this. And so now's the time to put it on heavy. Alright, we got it on heavy, don't we? Yes, we do. Hopefully got enough in there, because if not, it'll have to be the next time we replace the door. Yeah. Alright. So we're going to take the two nails out. Maybe they'll take the two nails out. Maybe not. Found it. Nail puller. Okay. Hopefully my door will stay in there. Time to get it up in the jam now. So now that I pulled the nails out. Oh boy. I'm in. Oh boy. It's got quite the shoulder out here. Holy moly. Got a big lip underneath there. Holy. I don't like that. That's probably why the water gets underneath them so easy. Because exactly what's out there. Well, we got a lot of mud on here now. She'll be able to seal her out, keep the water from coming underneath it. Maybe. No, I got a heck of a mess now. Not sure what I'm gonna do with that. Need some screws to hold this in though. Something. Something. Something, something. I'll have the screws at the top. I got nothing to wipe my finger on. I'm gonna wipe my finger on. That wind's really gonna catch that door if I don't get some screws in it. Thought I brought my driver down. I got some screws. Got some screws somewheres. Putting these kind of screws in. Voila! Can you see it? That's what I'm putting in right there. That one's 3 inches. And I don't have anything between my door jamb yet. See how kitty wampa it is. Got a leveler. Where's my leveler? Am I got my leveler? Well, I had it. Oh, go over here where I left it at. My leveler. Leveler. Got my leveler. So I should put my leveler on there. Make sure that I'm levelered. Can you really see that? I don't even know if I can hold that there. Well, I'll try. But then I don't even know if you've seen it. Look. Look at that. Holy! See this side. Yeah, it's the same. I did it. All by myself. I did it. It's leveled. I don't know about the top though. This is too long. Oop. Let's see. Well, look. Isn't that pretty level? I mean, my barn's not perfect. Look at that. It's in the level. Okay, we're going to screw it right there. I don't even know if I want to put shims in it. Probably should. But I gotta get my screw gunny. My gunny screw. Alright. Well, I got the shims. The problem is if I shove some shims in there and jack it out of whack. Okay, let me go get my screw gun that I need now next. I keep bringing everything down here for him and we deal with it. So, here's to you. It's getting cold out. That's why you notice me with my hat on again. And I keep getting the white stuff on me. So, I'm just going to babble on here. And I'll have to edit this all out because people don't like to listen to me. Yeah. Well, I guess I got to take the screws all out. I guess I put them like this, I guess. Keep the door from falling out. Alright. See if it pulls now. Oh. I'm the worst at everything. Yeah, it still doesn't, so I'll take the other two in the bottom out. Alright guys, it's kind of like it back like it is, except for it doesn't fall out. Let's see. I don't know what to do now. I didn't do much of anything other than just put 2 screws in it to hold it from yeah. I don't know. Am I supposed to put screws in this way to pull it away from the jam? I don't see it. I don't know where it's rubbing at. The bottom? Looks like it's rubbing on the bottom. Get used to that. See, it closed once by itself. See, the top is fine. The gap seems to be fine, but the bottom. The bottom's dragging too much. Too much. I don't know how to stop that. How do you stop that? Don't know what I'm doing. Thought it was just perfectly fine. Well, the jam's still straight. Up and down. Yeah, well, maybe a little off. I don't know, let me get my shims, I guess. I don't know how that's going to change the bottom though. The bottom is dragging. I'm actually trying to push it out. It's trying to push it out. Huh. It's trying to push it out. Let me go get my shims. Not why that's going to help.